So in today's video, we will talk about what gardening has taught me. So many of you must not be knowing the fact that I started a terrace garden in lockdown, like from scratch in lockdown. I did not have even one plant before lockdown, and now I have, I think, 50 or so plants at my terrace, and most of them have been grown either by seed or I have taken them from someone, like in a very small sapling stage. I have taken them from someone, or I have brought them from nursery, right? And one of the most important thing I really want to tell you about in the very starting is, before starting this terrace garden, I did not have any idea about gardening at all. So, in case you think that gardening is for pro people, I am an example. I am not a pro at it. Although I haven't even studied gardening or about plants in my education, I am a computer science graduate. So it's like totally a different thing. But gardening has taught me a lot. Even though I have a very small place at which I have started my thing. But then still it has taught me so many different things. Okay, so the first thing it taught me is about respecting food. Now, don't quote me wrong over here. I used to respect food even before I started my garden. But it's when I started the garden, I actually got to know the real importance of food, how it comes to our plates, how much hard work it has taken from actually sowing a seed in the soil and bringing the food to our plates. A farmer works so hard in their farm to literally grow the food that we eat, and even when growing it on a very small scale, it taught me so much about how much food deserves to be respected, and how we literally, how so many of us mindlessly literally waste the food without thinking about how much hard work it has actually taken to bring it to our about. And second is, it brings you close to the nature. I live in Delhi, and near my area there is no garden or park. Although when I used to live in Bangalore, I used to go to garden every single day. But in Delhi, there was no garden or park near my place at least. So when I grew that garden on my terrace only, terrace itself, everyone in my family is happy. Even my father or mother, everyone at least go once to take a round of the terrace. So it automatically brings you close to the nature. All the butterflies and all the flowers which are there, all the vegetables which are growing day by day, the new leaves which are coming in your pots, that brings you so much close to the nature that you can only experience it when you will actually start growing something on your own. Before starting another point, I would like to draw your attention towards the fact that I'm in no way comparing myself to the farmers who work day and night on their farms. Okay, uh, even I'm not even working, one by hundred of how much they work. I'm just trying to experience the fact that how it feels to grow your own food or vegetables or flowers for that matter in your own garden, and uh, how much satisfaction do they give you. So another point is, it teaches you responsibility. I'll give you an example. I slept in evening. And when I sleep in evening, I sleep for quite long time, like 3 to 4 hours at least. And the time duration when I used to water my plants, that time duration I missed because of sleeping only. And the next day when I woke up, my plants were not happy. Okay, they were very, they were very most of the leaves were stringed, and yeah, you could see that they don't have enough water. And the first thing I did in the morning was to water my plants. I literally woke up and I went up to the terrace and watered my plants. So why am I telling you this thing? Because did you notice that sense of responsibility it gives you when you actually grow something and you don't want it to die with you, right? So I'm not a sort of person who is very punctual or very regular with anything in this world. But if there is one thing I'm very punctual with, is watering my plants now, at least now. So the sense of responsibility it gives you is immense. also, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and please hit that like button down there. Okay, bye bye.